I think most little girls, when their kids are like, I'm gonna be a marine biologist and I'm gonna go live in the sea and stuff like that, and that was definitely me. And then as I grew up and went to college, I changed my major out of that and I was doing something else, and I was like, it's not realistic, I'm not gonna do that. But going here for the summer, I was like, wow, it's always what I wanted to do, so I was just gonna try it for the summer. And it has made me change my major before I even got back to school. And now I am going for life at sea again, for sure. So it has changed my entire career. Do it. You're thinking about Keys Huka Dive, do Keys Huka Dive, because you will not find another place like it. I mean, not just like the people you work with and the vibe and energy here is so amazing, but the company itself. Jerry and Kim are really, really generous and sweet, and I think it's just the best company. I mean, when I was a kid, I always hoped I'd be doing it, but a year ago, I never thought at this point in my life would I be swimming with sea turtles. Like, I have photos of sea turtles on my camera now, and I'm diving every day. I'd never imagined that at 20 years old, that's what I would be doing just in between college. My favorite part working on the boat would be whenever I go out with customers and they're looking for teeth and they're finding their own teeth, but I'm also collecting teeth for them. And I guess they don't really get it until I hand it to them on the boat. So we get back on the boat, I'm like, here's your teeth, and it's like a whole bag of teeth or a handful or something, and they're like, where'd you find these? And it's always so fun when you're like, no, it's yours, it's yours. Out of everything, what I'm gonna miss most from the dive house is definitely my friends. I never thought that I would make, I mean, you know, you go to work and you make friendly with your coworkers, but they're my friends. Like my instructor, when we get back to the dive house or go on trips, he's my friend. And the other people joining the internship, I'm so excited for them because I'm like, oh my God, you're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna play Just Dance, or we're gonna go out to pool and stuff like that. So when I leave, I'm going to miss everyone else here, for sure.